What we do is we remove the diseased fluid from the knee and we replace it with this Synvisc, which is highly cross-linked hyaluronidase, which reproduces the normal synovial fluid in the knee joint. Again, it depends a lot on what stage the patient is. If the patient has, say, a 30 or 40% loss of joint space, the injection tends to work well for a period of up to 1 year or even more than that. But if the patient comes to us and it's a grade 3, like say almost 60% of the knee joint or 70% of the knee joint has worn, then we advise them that your pain relief won't be more than about 6 months, in which case it may need to be repeated after 6 months. And about 50% to 80% of pain relief, depending on what stage the patient comes to us at. The costs are quite high because it's only made by one company. It's about 15,000 for each injection, and it comes in a pre-filled format, packed and all that. And I'm sure as more companies produce it, the cost will come down. Most of my patients, I have advised them whether to take it or not. Some of them have been very keen to take it, even though they had a lot of loss of, loss of cartilage. The joint was very worn out, but they insisted that I give it because they didn't want to have a knee replacement, or they were not fit to have a knee replacement. In which case they said, let us at least try it because I have tried everything possible, and this is the last resort. And if this fails, then we will think about operations. But elderly patients, 80, 85, who are struggling a lot, who are not fit to undergo operations because of multiple medical problems, they have tried these injections. To some extent, maybe about 20-30% of pain relief has happened, and but not more than 6 months.